So today I'll be showing you how to connect the Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2 headphones to your iPhone via the app. So go to the Apple App Store and make sure you have this app installed on your iPhone. So that's the Bose app by Bose Corporation. So with that app installed, launch the app. And with the app launched, it's going to start looking for devices. In case your device is not detected, just tap on the plus symbol and then go to the headphones, earbuds, and portable speakers section. And then it's going to start searching. Now, as you can see, it's detected our Bose Ultra 2s. Keep in mind that I've already connected this via Bluetooth. So I'll just go ahead and tap on connect. Then wait for that connection. And then we're good to go. So it's going to give it a default name. Of course, you can change the name if you don't want any of this. Then tap on next. And then there you go. So it's going to give you a slight demo. You can skip that. And then you can see some product tips, which you can read through. And then tap on all set. And then tap on get started. And you are good to go. So there's the app. Gives you extra controls, extra features that you can take advantage of on the Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2 headphones. Thanks for watching and good luck.